Hey guys, today I will show you how to test a mass airflow sensor on this Honda Civic from 2014. And the most common mistake people do when they will get a trouble code like P0101 or any code related to the MAF sensor is that they will go and just replace the MAF sensor. And after that there will be two possibilities. First, you will be lucky if the sensor will fix the issue since you've done that randomly. And second, the most common situation will be when the trouble code will still be triggered because your car did not need a new MAF sensor. Also, it's interesting to see why people still do these mistakes. Like, if a person managed to fix the issue by replacing the MAF sensor, he will advise others to do the same thing when facing similar trouble codes, even though each car has unique technical conditions and there are always a lot of variables to take in consideration before giving the final result of the diagnosis. So today I will present you a very easy and simple way to test your MAF sensor, even if you have just a voltmeter or a regular scan tool with live data available. So in that way you will not waste your time, energy and money doing services which you don't need. Now, before removing the sensor, I want to show you how steady is the mass airflow rate. There is no change in fluctuations because the sensor is in a place where the air doesn't circulate. It's a sealed and closed environment. To connect your scan tool, you will need the key in the second position, and always under the steering wheel you will find that OBD2 port where you can connect your scan tool. Once the scan tool is connected, I'm going to connect as well the voltmeter so I can show you how to do this without a scanner. I will turn the voltmeter on 20 volts. Alright, so as you can see, I back probed these two wires. Now I'm going to go ahead and test the intake air temperature sensor. That value on the voltmeter represents 41 degrees Celsius. I warm it up a little bit and here we go. You can see it. You can see on the graph how the temperature increased so fast. This is a clear sign that the sensor works. Now, if you back probe the green one and the purple one, you are connected to the mass airflow sensor. Now, if you wonder, the fifth wire is the 12 volt supply. As you can see, the yellow one. Now remember, you've got 0.43 volts. Once I will remove the sensor, you will see the voltage increase because there is more air turbulence into this environment compared to the sealed location where the sensor is. Only by moving a little bit the sensor, the voltage is increasing because the sensor reads air passing through the filaments, through the reading wires down there. Alright, now I'm gonna do the same thing with a vacuum cleaner because this is the only thing I have which will blow air through this area. So you can see the voltage is around 2.7, 2.8. Down here on the graph, well, it's not that big, but you can see those fluctuations. Now let's say you are in the situation when you've got a code, a trouble code like P0101, which indicates that the readings of the mass airflow sensor is inaccurate. Then you can go ahead and remove the sensor and have a look inside there. You should see those hot wires, because if there is anything on those hot wires, even a tiny bit of carbon or oil, that will make the mass airflow sensor read inaccurate, even with slightly a bit. So just go ahead and spray on those filaments and make sure that the liquid is coming out of the sensor. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video is helpful. If so, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video.